Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jamaican seafood soup. Get ready to explore the vibrant flavors of the Caribbean right in your own kitchen. This one-of-a-kind recipe combines fresh seafood with aromatic spices and vegetables, creating a truly unforgettable dish. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring your soup is bursting with authentic taste and warmth. Let's dive into this delicious culinary journey together. First, let's prepare our fresh seafood, ensuring it's perfectly cleaned and ready. You'll want a mix of fish, shrimp, and crab for the best experience. Next, we'll build the flavor foundation by sautéing onions, garlic, and bell peppers until fragrant. Don't forget to add a whole Scotch bonnet pepper for that signature kick, along with fresh thyme. These steps are crucial for developing the deep, rich taste of your soup. Now, it's time to bring everything together. Add your prepared seafood and vegetables to a large pot, then pour in creamy coconut milk and fish broth. Let this mixture simmer gently over medium heat for approximately 30 minutes. This slow cooking process allows all the incredible flavors to meld beautifully, creating a rich and complex broth. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Once your Jamaican seafood soup has reached its perfect consistency, and the seafood is tender, it's ready to serve. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish with fresh cilantro or chopped scallions for a burst of color and extra freshness. This hearty and flavorful soup is best enjoyed immediately, offering a taste of the islands with every spoonful. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.